welcome to the unboxing video for March 2021. Let's check out all the cool stuff that people sent to the new Bigfoot Society P.O. Box, and I'll have that in the show notes, how you can send something in. Number one thing, always exciting when you see that, Cryptid Comforts. So, Lisa does a great job. Let's see what we got. Excited to see what this is. All right. Ready? Check it out. It's the Van Meter Visitor Plush. It's a work of art. Look at this. Look towards the camera, buddy. Oh man, you've got the eye. You've got the shining the light out of the horn forehead. You've got these so comfy wings, and look at these little legs. Oh man, let's see. Oh, so cool. Oh my goodness. You got the patch too, the Van Meter, Iowa patch. Oh, I am just so pumped for this. And it's like, there's still more in here. You got another patch. The Van Meter Visitor. Van Meter, Iowa, my favorite cryptid. First, I want to say, so check this out, and I'll have this in the show notes. Check out Cryptid Comforts, Etsy. I'll have that all in there. And it says, keep spreading that Van Meter Visitor love, my friend, Greg. Greg from the Patreon, you are the best. Speechless. Check out Greg's stuff at all the weird on Instagram, all.the.weird. And also, he's got an amazing new podcast with Yami and Mothboy Matt. It's Order 66, a Star Wars podcast. Check him out on all major podcast platforms. Such a cool thing. Every week they take a different Star Wars movie and they put their spin on it, and you're gonna love it. I'll have those links in the show notes as well. But Greg and Lisa, you've done it again. I love this guy. Van Meter Visitor is so good. Going on, we have some more cool stuff. Transition, I'm wearing something different, but hey, movie magic. Here's a cool thing I got in the mail. This is a limited edition made by Sarah Cooper from the American Snallygaster Museum. But I don't know if you can see, but Bigfoot Society wine glass. So got matching ones of those. Me and my wife are set, or my wife and I, as I should say. So thank you, Sarah, for making those. Those are two of a kind. You cannot buy those or get those. So pretty special. Also, got this awesome design of a Snallygaster sticker she sent me, designed by Conjure Dust Designs. And then there you go. Greetings from Maryland, home of the Snallygaster, from Sarah as well. Definitely check out her stuff. She's got some amazing stuff on her Etsy. I'll put that in the show notes. She does some crazy coffee cups. Coming up next, rip. This is from 603 Bigfoot, parts unknown. Sent me some rockin' 603 Bigfoot. Of course, for those in the know, that's New Hampshire. So, doing the good work for looking into Bigfoot in New Hampshire. So I'll put his Instagram in the show note as well. And we got my friend Kenzie. Rip. This is pretty cool. Jeremiah, have some stickers in a poorly drawn Sasquatch, from Kenzie. I think it's amazing drawn Sasquatch. And she sent some really cool like holographic stickers, crypto chats podcast. So definitely check out Kenzie with the Crypto Chats podcast, and she's heavily involved with the Bigfoot Society Clubhouse too. So thanks to her for all the cool things she does. Last but not least, Ripperoo. I already opened it, but I'm doing it for dramatic effect. This, of course, is something else from Cryptid Comforts. I love me some Cryptid Comforts, but check this out. Look at all this cool stuff you can get. It came from Kentucky, Hopkinsville Goblin sticker. Y'all know I love this Van Meter sticker. It's all like 80s style, right? Love that. Here's another one. You got your Pascagoula aliens dudes from Mississippi. You got the Dover Demon. Shout out to Lauren Coleman. What up? Lauren, if you're watching, you can always come on the podcast. I'm not going to say no. You got your Snallygaster, which this is one of the coolest interpretations of a Snallygaster ever. We also got a Dover Demon on the Prowl sticker. And I like this little cool interpretation of a Bigfoot Sasquatch. He's kind of, whoa, what's up? But again, thanks to everyone who sent me some amazing stuff to the P.O. Box in March 2021. You guys rock. Check out all the things down in the show notes. Check out their Etsy's. Check out their Instagrams. These individuals make the cryptid community great. But thanks again for watching. Again, I'm Jeremiah from the Bigfoot Society podcast. Check out the podcast if you've never listened to it. I interview different people every week. People like Cliff Barrickman, people that create things on Etsy, like Danner from Conjure Dust Designs. People all over the spectrum, but they do have things to do with cryptozoology. So you got your TV personalities, you got your creative personalities, and you got people that you may not have heard of. It's a really good time. BigfootSocietyPodcast.com. Check it out. And yeah, put in the comments what you liked from this video. And send me, it's as easy as sending me things to my P.O. box. And I will shout it out in the monthly unboxing video. All right. Have a good one.